Here's how to export video on Vizard AI. The first thing that you're going to do is to select a language that you wanted to use on your Vizard video. Now, after selecting a language, click on the next or upload options where you will be asked what would you like to do with your video. Is it generate clips by AI or transcribe and edit video? So let's say we are going to select generate clips by AI. Afterwards, what you need to do is click viral shorts. So you have to style on the ratio, style, length, and afterwards click on get AI clips. The next step is you have to choose a template that you'd like to do with your video. So this is very important so that you can go ahead and process the video that you wanted the result with. Now, after editing all the details, the video will appear on your screen, and now click on the export options. After clicking on the export options, the video that you did on Vizard AI will automatically save to the device that you use.